What's up, guys? We are back with another trapping video. We are just running traps, and it's cold and kind of rainy, a little bit muddy. I wasn't able to get out last week because of something cool. I'll share it later, but let's get to trapping. And this is for a bobcat. It's a chicken wing. Actually, it's a rooster, but hopefully it'll get a bobcat or coyote curious. And let's do that. Just windy and cold. Oh, and by the way, those roosters that I was using for bait, those were mean roosters, so that my cousin had, so they had to go, and they were just too aggressive, and that's why I'm using them. They don't have a lot of meat on them, so that's why I'm using their parts for bait. And we got trap over there, then trap farther up that trail, then trap here, then a trap farther down this little trail. There's a thing way over there where I marked it, where there's another foothold trap. Still trying to catch bobcats. And I'm gonna check this trail camera. It's right here. And there's another trap, box trap, right here. And there's a trap on the other side. Hopefully. Also, we got a dog proof over here, and we're over on the west side right now. I got dog proofs over in the middle of our property, along with more cage traps, and we'll go from here. I'm just checking this trail camera now. And that's all for today. I'm gonna come back and check them tomorrow. And that's all. Well, it's the next day, and we're just running traps. So far, nothing. We are at the top of the hill. So far, nothing. You know, I bet these are bobcat tracks. Yeah, these tracks go all the way back in here. Well, so far, nothing. Oh well. Well, didn't catch anything in the box traps or the footholds or anything, but that's trapping. It's just like hunting, but sure is beautiful out here. Anyway, thanks for watching.